Hi, it's Deborah with Hail Recon. This video is going to describe how to create photos using Hail Recon, annotate those photos, and then include them on a Hail Impact report. Let's take some photos first using Recon Pics, then we'll add them to our report. Open a marker and then select the camera button at the top center. Take as many photos as you like. Then tap the back button at the top left corner to exit the camera feature. To annotate the photo, tap the photo, then tap Edit at the bottom. Use the tools on the toolbar to point out hail damage. Use the arrow tool, change your colors, and use the text tool. On the text tool, drag the corners to enlarge or tap in the middle to move the text. Tapping the back button will prompt a save. Tap back again to return to the list of photos, and back again to return to the marker details. To generate a hail or wind impact report, we'll tap the printer at the top left and choose Create New. Use two fingers to size the picture if needed. If you wish to include the Street View pictures, scroll down and click Include Street View in Report. If Google Maps does not provide a good picture, take your own using Recon Pics. Tap the selection circles of each of the photos you wish to include. Tap the Download button at the top right to download this report as a PDF, and select the app to send your file. Here's what the finished report looks like. If you have any questions, reach out to us on Facebook or give us a call. We're ready to help.